Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful tool you can use to change the world. Before I was born, both my father and my mother were staying in a very small village of West Bengal. Life was tough for them, and with little education with them, it was very difficult to find out some job opportunity or to do some kind of a business. They were struggling a lot. Someday they could find some work, someday there was no work. And especially my father was taking care of all the work outside, and my mother was a homemaker. So it was a very difficult journey for them. And then they decided to leave that small village and come to a city. But who said that city life would be easy? There were more challenges out there, more difficulties out there, but they never gave up. The choice my father took to live from to leave the village life and come to a city life was a very big choice and a big decision. And because of that, a lot of things have changed, which I will talk about. And then I was born. Now, in front of them, again, another choices they need to take, an important choice. What kind of education now they need to give to their children? There were a lot of vernacular schools out there, and there were few English medium schools. And some of them were quite popular, quite known. But then the prices of those schools are also very high. My father thought, since I didn't have that right education, I was struggling, I was getting a lot of difficulty in my life to grow. Why should I give that difficulty to my children? So he decided to admit me in one of the most prestigious school of that locality. And I got enrolled into that school. And not just me, in fact my brother as well. Now you can understand that the cost of educating us in that prestigious school was not easy. There were difficulties, and I have seen personally my parents facing difficulty, especially my father facing that difficulty. But then he never gave up. He could do all the possible ways in order to give us that education. And because of that education, today, both me and my brother could come up with flying colors in our exam, could graduate from some of the prestigious colleges, engineering colleges of India, and are currently working in some of the prestigious companies, not just of India, of the world. So you can understand that life is all about the choices that we take. My father took a very important choice back some 30 years, and because of which we are now being educated, we are now having a very wonderful life. And that is why my father is one of the most important person in our life. If those difficult choices were not been taken that day, it would not have been, who knows that I would not have been there right now speaking in front of you. Who knows that I could have been working in some ABC company, or I could have been jobless because of this pandemic crisis. So, for that reason, I consider my father as one of the most important person because of the choices he took. What choices are you taking to foolproof your family future?